indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aganga, Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, Highway 79 between Oak Grove and Aganga, Palomar Mountain, and Oak Grove. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. PBT for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. Severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California, North Central San Diego County in Southwestern California until 2:45 p.m. PDT. At 1:50 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Highway 79 between Oak Grove and Aganga, or 13 miles southwest of Anza, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aganga, Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, Highway 79 between Oak Grove and Aganga, Palomar Mountain, and Oak Grove. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. PBT for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. Flood advisory for the following county, Riverside, California. Flood advisory in effect until 3:43 p.m. PDT this afternoon. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected in a portion of southwest California, including the following county, Riverside, until 3:43 p.m. PDT. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. At 1:43 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Idlewild, Pine Cove, Highway 243 between Banning and Idlewild, Highway 74 between Hemet and Mountain Center, Vale Vista, East Hemet, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Anza, Lake Hemet and Sage,